Alright guys, for this problem it says find the indefinite integral of the square root of 2x minus 1 dx. For this problem, I'm going to have to do a u substitution. And so I want to look for a pattern that I let something represent u, and then taking the derivative of it, it'll give me something else that's in that integral. Well, I noticed that the only thing I have is what's underneath the square root, which in this case is 2x minus 1. So I'm going to let 2x minus 1 be u. When I do that, if I take the derivative of u, that would give me 2 dx. Now notice that I do have the dx in the original integral. However, I don't have this 2. Well, I can simply add, not really add, but include a 2 in my integral because of that constant rule. Remember, you can pull out any constant, therefore you can put back any constant. However, if I put that 2 there, I have to balance out my integral. So I'm going to do the reciprocal of 2, so I'm going to put 1/2 outside of my integral. So that way it would balance out my integral. 1/2 times 2 is 1, so that helps. And so therefore, I now have 2 dx, which is the same thing as du. So I'm just going to rewrite this with my u substitution. It's going to be 1/2 the integral of the square root of u, because 2x minus 1 was u, and then 2 dx, I'm going to rewrite that as du. All right, now you might not be able to see it written like this, but I'm going to rewrite u, the square root of u, as u to the 1/2. The reason is because that way I can do my power rule. So I'm going to add 1 to the power, which is the same thing as 2 over 2. So that's going to give me u to the 3/2. I'm going to do the reciprocal of that, so that would be 2/3. And I'm not going to forget that I pulled out a 1/2 from the beginning, and then I'm going to put plus c. I'm going to do a little bit of algebra to this and clean this up. This is going to give me 2 over 6, which is the same thing as 1/3. U to the 3/2 plus c. However, you're not finished because remember you did do a u substitution at the very beginning. What did you let equal u? 2x minus 1. So this is going to be 1/3, and then I'm going to put 2x minus 1 in parentheses raised to the 3/2 power plus c. And so this would be my indefinite integral.